Well, hello and welcome to the advanced section. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for going through the beginner intermediate section, and if you really went through all of it, if you started implementing everything, now you know everything that an average YouTuber knows about YouTube. You know every single tool that they use, every single thing that they use. You know everything that you need in order to start growing your YouTube channel. And all that is left right now is to put in a lot of work and a lot of creativity. That's the only two things that are left. Well, controversially, it's actually the most difficult things to do, and not everyone has those. But the only thing that no one can teach you is how to be creative and how to be productive. Well, they can teach you, but it's actually all up to you. But okay, welcome to the advanced section. So this is a bit of a different section compared to all the previous sections, because all the lectures here are practically disconnected, meaning that this section you can go however you want. You can go like in order, or you can go scrambled. Some of the lectures are actually connected to each other, but not that deep, so it would be very difficult to understand whatever is happening in the other lectures. They are connected, but not very deeply, unlike the beginner section or the intermediate section. They are basically loosely connected to each other. So this will be more like a tips and tools and tricks section, where you will learn separate and individual things to help you to fuel growth of your channel. So who is this section for? So this section is for the people who understand well how YouTube works. Basically, you know all the tools, you know all the stuff. You can find anything that you want, because we are not going to explain a lot of stuff here. So basically, you understand how YouTube uploading works. You have your own workflow. You are doing this well. You can upload your videos regularly, maybe not every day, maybe not every other day, but maybe around once a week, or at least once 2 weeks. You're uploading your videos, and you have established YouTube channel with around approximately 10 plus videos, because it depends on the channel by channel basis how many videos you need to be at minimum. But I usually see that 10 plus videos is practically a must. There is rarely a case where you need where you can go big with less than 10 videos. Very rarely. So I would highly suggest to not count yourself as a rare exception. Just count yourself in a rule and have at least 10 videos on your channel. By well-established channel, I mean that you already have a YouTube channel and you are creating your videos regularly. Basically, whatever viewers you have, your subscribers you have, whatever people you have on your channel, they understand that you are doing a YouTube video. So they know that once a week or once every 2 weeks or whatever time that you have, when they will come to your channel, they're gonna see a new video. That's what I mean in an established channel. So, and what is the end goal of this section? An end goal of this section is to give you additional tools and tips to fuel your channel growth. So this is all about additional tips, because these tips that if you will not use any of the things that I teach you in this section, if you will not use any of the things, you will still be fine. You will still continue growing. But with these things that I'm going to teach you, especially the analytics stuff, you will try and understand more the different numbers that you're going to see on YouTube, different growth patterns. You will understand different workflow patterns. You will understand many more things that can actually add an additional fuel, like maybe a little bit of fuel to your growth. Because if you are creating a lot of videos, if you are already have an established channel, you can get all the help. You need all the help that you can get. And this section is all about providing this section. Every video here in advanced is in this section, because I highly think of that none of the videos that are here were necessary in beginner or the intermediate section. You didn't need that the things that you learn here in the beginner, especially in the beginner section, because it would be very confusing for you. And you didn't need here in introduction, in intermediate section, because you didn't need this even just to scale the beginning scale of your channel. You need this only after you well understand well how your YouTube channel works and what you want from your YouTube channel. This is a bit this does not come very fast while you are doing a YouTube, but it will come eventually. Well, welcome to the advanced section. This is the last official section. It will be any section after that, if available, will be a bonus sections. And well, congratulations again on finishing intermediate section, and let's just learn some more.